want you to start now. Let's say go.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, y'all niggas suck. Oh, Amanda fell. Amanda fell. Oh, that's embarrassing.
I know.
Oh, that's really embarrassing. Hold on. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. What you screaming for? Why you scream? Oh my god. She fell. Oh man. Yo. Okay.
She gonna fall.
Reach, Brittany, reach. No, you can't. It's wetter than her side. Yeah. Okay, y'all ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Did you get up? Look at me. Oh my god, that's so embarrassing. That's so embarrassing.
She said it burnt me.
This is going on MySpace. I'm gonna put it on the bulletin so everybody can see it.